All right, let's talk some real estate this morning. Everybody's favorite water cooler topic with Vancouver may have peaked, but is there still room to grow in Toronto? Mike Eppel, good morning.
Yeah, a little bit, Kevin. That's the forecast from Royal LePage in with their quarterly assessment of the Canadian real estate market. That 34% year-over-year growth rate that Vancouver home prices had been seeing for much of 2016, not sustainable. According to Royal LePage, that market also hit now by that 15% foreign buyers tax and the new rules coming in regarding mortgage requirements. The Toronto market, though, may see the ancillary spillover effects of the movement of money, maybe from Vancouver into the Toronto market, and prices here up substantially year over year, but there doesn't seem to be, again, any signs of a slowdown near term in the Toronto real estate market. It's still above normal, obviously, but might have a little bit more room to grow. The overall assessment of real estate across the country, somewhat mixed. You've got markets, for example, Edmonton and Calgary, seeing price declines year over year because of what's going on in their energy market specifically. 7 years after its bankruptcy, there is a sign that the Nortel overall bankruptcy filing and the asset payout to pensioners might be finally getting to some conclusion. $7.3 billion of assets being divvied up. They've got a tentative deal in place that'll see money dispersed to creditors and pensioners. It still needs the courts to sign off on all of this, but again, we're 7 years removed from the 2009 bankruptcy of Nortel. That company was once worth $300 billion at its peak during the internet bubble. $7.3 billion to be dispersed, and the court costs and advisory fees from this now at $2 billion, and that clock continues to move higher. Markets this morning, Kevin, not looking all that good. Some trade statistics in from China overnight were weak, lowest since February. That's a negative signal to investors, and so far this morning, Dow futures dropping about 100 points. Price for oil still above $50, and Canadian dollar at 75.5 cents US. Back to you.